Hey vacuum fam, you missed out on a big dust explosion. And I'm like, oh shoot. I've set down my phone. If you ever think a shark is a great vacuum, then oh my god, I got the sharks I got them for free. Except I overspent on one at Goodwill for, what was it? 20? Shit. And then the hose split. Anyway, point is, check out the exhaust filter on this. See all that dust? I just sat here. Look at this. And I already did this. And there's a gigantic cloud. This is just what's left. These vacuums are pretty disappointing when it comes to dust filtration. This is the exhaust filter, okay? This is supposed to collect this, okay, this, and this donut hole holder, paper towel holder. This system, this and this, okay, this swirly durly soft serve system is supposed to single spin. It's supposed to, the dust is supposed to magically stop there, but no, but wait, there's more. It goes through here, but no, wait, there's more. And after I tapped away, that's nothing. It had just mountains of dust, like a bag of flour. Just, mountains. Do I have evidence of it still? Yeah, down here. Oh no? I don't know what I did. It blew it away. Whatever happened. So, it says anti-allergen complete seal. It only works for the first few minutes that you use it with a fresh new filter. But then heat happens and all the dust that passes through this single, not even a cyclone. They had better dirt designs back in 2000 with Eureka's silly cyclonic design. I don't know why the hell this won't. Here we go. Got it. But yeah, now that I did that, oh, it's plugged up right there.